Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer? Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so I'm out here early Monday morning. It's cold out here, but I got a few packs with me. Came out here to do a little freestyle flying with this guy here. I tried to do a little flight with this one on Freestyle Friday. Somehow the data got corrupted, and so hopefully I'll be able to retain the data this time. Show you guys the FPV footage of this guy. I did drop it in a new frame, baby blue. Check it out. And one time I came out here, I just been having all types of with this guy. I came out here one time and the camera was installed upside down when I first dropped it in the frame. So that was another Freestyle Friday, the one before that. So let's get this guy in the air. Hopefully everything goes well. I'm gonna try one of these GMBs, courtesy of Chuck. What up, Chuck? So let's see if we can lock in on the channel. I'm doing an auto search. I know. I shouldn't do that. Try to get the video going. Jeez, the sun is killing me over there. So that's a good sign. I don't hear any beeping. Here we go. Got some beeping now. Uh-oh. I doubt if I'm going to be able to take off. Let's try. Oh, I popped it up real quick. Get this guy back on the bench. So let's get another pack in there. Not going to have very long flights. Already short flights normally. But because of the cold, it's going to be even shorter. Whoa! This thing barely has enough power to punch up through stuff. I gotta keep that in mind. And we're beeping. I think the bump caused that beep though. Getting weak. Gravity landing. I think that's what somebody called it. Alright, I got one more pack, y'all, to try. Well, I actually have two more packs, but I'm going to fly one more pack. Uh-oh. Something ain't go right. See if we can take off again. Yeah, I don't know what that was. Something it didn't like. Let's do some high flying. And you can't see all of the scraggle and stuff that's up there, all of the branches. So that was a bad idea. Going up in the air without leaves on the trees. It's a little hard. I got a buzzer on it. Okay, there we go right there. So always a bad idea to go up high, try to go between some trees, especially with a camera with such low resolution. You can't really see any of the branches or twigs. The smaller ones, you just run right into them, which is what happened there. Happy to have a buzzer on it, because I probably would be out here all day looking for this little guy. Leave that just in case something's going on. Make sure we save that. Okay, here we go. We're not beeping, that's a good sign. Breaking up over here, I had to turn the patch antenna towards it. Sheesh, I didn't realize I was that far away. I'm looking like, where's the darn bench I'm sitting on? I think I'm over this way. I'm trying to follow the sound. Sheesh, guess I'm flying further away. Go. Gravity landing. We didn't quite stay up. Let's see if we can get it up on the bench. Oh, losing power. So that's it. That's all I'm gonna do. I know you guys had enough of my rusty flying, so I'm gonna end it here. Freestyle Friday, makeup on Monday. Thanks for watching.